everyone, I'm reporter number 3. For question number 1, find the sum of 6 sum system of the arithmetic sequence 5, 1, negative 3, negative 7. The given for number 1, the a sub 1 is 5, the n is 16, the common difference is negative 4. And the formula I use for number 1 is s sub n is equals to n over 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 and times the common difference. So now let's substitute the given in the formula. So s sub 16 is equals to 16 over 2 times 2 times 5 plus the quantity of 16 minus 1 times negative 4. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then 2 times 5 is 10. 16 minus 1 is 15. Bring down negative 4. And then we can times lang natin yung negative 4 sa yung negative 4 sa 15. Ang 15. Ang makukuha natin ay negative 4 times 15 plus 10 ay makukuha natin ay negative 50. At ita-times natin ang 8, tapos sa negative 50 ay makukuha natin ang negative 40. Ayun ang answer sa number 1. Number 2, Miss Lilion suggested that each student should start to read 3 pages of the given book. She then asked to increase the number of pages by 2 every day. How many pages will each student have in 1 week? The given for number 2 is a sub 1 is equals to 8, the n is 7, and the common difference is 2. Ang hahanapin natin ay ang sum 7. Ang ginamit kong formula ay parehas lang sa number 1. Ang aking solution ay 7 s sub 7 is equals to 7 over 2 and then 2 times 3 plus the quantity of 7 minus 1 times 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. And then 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then bring down 2. 2 times 16 plus 6 is 18. And then you bring down 3.5. 3.5 times 18 is 63. That's the answer for number 2. That's all. Thank you.